Hehehehe, para Jor, kena di Warframe. Karena di sini kong banyak kaya kena game. Tapi ibu PEP kepening kong ya yang harus pendek si pening kong yang sedang no. Loading.
For generations you've slept. No purpose, no call to wake you. But now, something has risen from the ruins of the old war. The twin queens, the sisters, have sent their most beloved commander, Vor, on an urgent mission. To protect the twisted crusade they have begun. To transform the scattered colonies into an empire. To see that the Tenno, hidden and asleep, will never awake.
I got caught.
Excalibur, Mag, Bolt. Perfect balance of mobility offense. Excalibur is an ideal warframe for new players. Mag, with full command of spawning magnetic energy magnets, an expert at enemy manipulation. Bolt can create and harness electrical elements. This is a high damage warframe, perfect for players who want a potent alternative to gunplay. Dah sedang dia nak kaya beda Excalibur. Tak kuat deh. Confirm.
Wake up, Tenno.
I see the Lotus has tried to wake you. Pity she's too late. You're my prize now, Tenno. No. We are taking this one with us.
What has he done to you? I can't lose another Tenno. I'm surging your Warframe's power systems. Quick, use your power. Defend yourself.
Oops, pintu lag.
An extraction ship is on its way, but the Grineer will be hunting you. Arm yourself.
Oh, left shift sprint. Mari jungi. Jump. Choose melee weapon. Next, pick up weapon. Skana. MK1 deal. Yeah.
Your Warframe is out of power. Use another weapon. There's a cache of weapons ahead. Grab what you can.
MK kunai. Lato.
Good. The extraction point is up ahead. Hurry
Oops.
before Vor finds out you've escaped.
What do you mean left shoot? Oh, okay. Cái này game mode đặc tiêu điểm box cho nên được thành công. Oops, cái gì học.
Salvage team, why have you not reported in?
The left control while moving to slide.
Take what you can. You will require resources to build yourself into a diverse and effective warrior.
Kayaknya kan ni belum no, itu nak ke game tu semua saya like.
You made it. There's the extraction ship. You're not ready to face war now. Use your melee weapon to block the beam and get inside.
My decrepit heart is pounding. This one is stronger than the rest. Lock the area down. This tenno is mine.
Quick, get to the console and release the lockdown. Do that, and I will guide you to your old ship. It's your only chance.
The queens want to destroy you, but I need to know more.
Oh, Lario. Oh.
Attack!
Shit. Ya, mari.
Tenno, you need to go to the console to release the lockdown.
Whoa, Lario. Press.
Get out of there, Tenno. You will have to face Vor another time, when you're fully restored.
Grineer, my sons, prepare the reinforcements. We need that tenno.
Oh, shit, lighting up. Shot. Energy.
A Tenno flows like fire over the battle terrain. Do you remember how to dash across walls?
Dash across walls, jump into the wall and hold space stuff. Ish, MK1 Paris, MK1 background.
I'm not sure what Vor has done to your Warframe, but we cannot remove it now. Just keep going. Your ship is up ahead.
Kayaknya di kenapa gede ini? Lihat sulai. What? Light. Energy. Rifle ammo full. It's like. Whoa, dikirim deh.
There it is, your ship. Hurry, Vor's reinforcements must be on their way. Disengage the suppression system so we can restart the ship. You'll have to bypass the security on that panel.
Stop touching me. What? Are my senses deceiving me? Operator, is that you?
Enemy reinforcements are here. Ship Cephalon, we require immediate extraction.
The operator is in danger? I will need a few moments to cycle the engines.
Tell me, are you afraid? You cannot hide from these old eyes. I've marked you. You will return to me.
Marines inbound. Tenno, the ship is ready. It's time to leave.
Escape, like pet. Yes.
Operator, you have returned. I am Aorus, ship Cephalon. A shadow of my former self. I cannot serve the operator in such a condition. Order me to self-destruct. I will understand.
Publish pun berplay apa yang kini video. Saya like, like internet, saya subscribe, saya share, saya follow link hapo Instagram, ketuk link hapo Facebook dan tinggal sekendor pak TV video. Bye bye.